Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Audi 2017 A4. This car here have a lot of functions, beautiful. One of the functions that I just want to tell you, if you park your car and you want to go or you want to release the brake, you know, like here is the parking brake release, and when you push it to up here, light gonna be on. Always try to see if the car doesn't want to move. See if this light is red, that means it's in the parking brake. Parking brake is already pulled. Also look at this corner here. Let me release it. If I push this one here, I release. This light is supposed to go away if everything is good, but this light doesn't go away because we have ABS problem. Oh, it's this one, sorry, park, not this. The brake here is related to this slippery and the ABS issue. We have an ABS problem, but this is a park. Right now it's in park, red. So if I push it down, 0, and here is no more. But this ABS here, the slippery and the brake, we have a problem with the ABS system. Now for the shifter, if you want to shift this, push the brake first and then push this one, then it will go just a little bit, or go to neutral or reverse. But if you want to go to park, you just have to push this. That's perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. And always, if you are not sure if the car is in the left, how your seat is it, I mean the steering is in the left or right, you are not sure, you want to back up straight, just look at here. You can do reverse quick, just look at here. You will know that where your car steering is it in the left or right. Also, when you finish doing the brake, or you have an ABS issue, or if you want to do the steering angle sensor, also try to watch this one here to adjust it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.